It is almost time for WWE Survivor Series 2020. The event is set to showcase The Undertaker's final farewell. However, is this actually going to be The Undertaker's farewell, or it is an elaborate setup for the Deadman's match at WrestleMania 37? And also we will discuss why Randy Orton is replaced from the Champion vs Champion match against Roman Reigns at Survivor Series. We will gonna discuss all these things in this video, so you must have to watch the video to the end. So without wasting a further ado, let's begin. Let's start with The Undertaker. The Undertaker's farewell is set for Survivor Series this Sunday, 30 years on from his WWE debut. However, The Undertaker's farewell may not be as cut and dry as most of us expect. Rumors suggest that this farewell angle could be used to set up The Undertaker's final match at WrestleMania 37. We could see The Fiend attack The Undertaker at Survivor Series to set up the match. White has dropped certain hints in the recent weeks, including using the number 19/11 during a fairly funhouse segment. 19/11 was the date of Undertaker's WWE debut 30 years ago. The Undertaker had a lot of praise for The Fiend during his recent appearance on WWE's The Bump, where The Undertaker says, "This iteration now, I mean the possibilities are limitless, because he has really taken his character to the next level. It is original and it is so different from what everybody else does. It is so thought-provoking and it draws emotions from people. I would love to have been able to work a program with The Fiend. I mean, my goodness, there is no telling what kind of matches we do come up with. You know, just due to the strength of his character and obviously The Undertaker's character, it would have been something else. It might have been a Buried Alive swamp match from Alcatraz. The possibilities would be limitless with those two characters." Bray Wyatt also replied to a tweet from WWE about the superstars Undertaker has battled over the years, replying, "Not quite at all." So it will be interesting to watch what gonna be happen on this Sunday at Survivor Series during Undertaker's farewell. Moving to the next topic, in which we gonna discuss why Randy Orton is replaced from the Champion vs Champion match against Roman Reigns at Survivor Series. Randy Orton was originally slated to face Roman Reigns at Survivor Series. This was until McIntyre beat Randy Orton on Raw to win the WWE Championship belt. On a recent edition of Wrestling Observer Radio, Dave Meltzer revealed a possible reason why WWE chose to have McIntyre face Roman Reigns instead of Orton vs Reigns. Dave Meltzer says, "In the end, we could have held off till the pay-per-view, but I guess they wanted a babyface versus heel dynamic in this match. I mean, Roman Reigns and Randy Orton would have been such a nothing match. I mean, really, not even that is been done before. I know technically as a wrestling match, it do have been fine. They are both good wrestlers, but it is two heels. The eventual thing would be that everybody would cheer Roman Reigns, and they are not really looking for that this week. Roman Reigns and Drew McIntyre is kind of like the battle of the top dog in each brand. Drew has been the one that since before WrestleMania, since the Rumble rally, has been posed as the top guy on one side, and Roman Reigns just destroyed everyone on the other side. From what Dave Meltzer has said, one of the reasons behind Drew McIntyre beating Randy Orton could have something to do with WWE wanting a babyface versus heel dynamic for the match. That is for today, guys. We will back again with a brand new video with some gossip and hot news of Survivor Series and WWE. Till then, if you like the video, then please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified. So see you guys in the next video.
Go ahead, like. Now comment. Have you commented yet? Now subscribe. Now do this, or you get F5 by Brock Lesnar.